Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm doing a video on Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. I had someone request it, so this is for you. Definitely boy. Okay, so like usual, I'm going to be starting with the word for word, and then I'll do it with the music. Okay. Could not find the word club anywhere. I don't know why. I just couldn't. So I'm just gonna finger spell it. Club. C-L-U-B. Isn't the best. These are P's. Place. Defined. A lover. So it's love, and then like this is usually when you try to say person. So the bar is where I go. So the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots. Me and my friends at the table. So table, doing shots, and then drinking fast, and then we talk slow. So drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me. So come over, start up a conversation with just me, and trust me and I'll give it a chance. And trust me and I'll give it a chance. So chance, now. Take my hand, stop, put Van the Man on the jukebox. Alright, so take my hand, stop, put, so Van is Van, like Van. Van the Man on the jukebox. The only sign I found for jukebox was like 15 moves long, and I refuse. That's just, no. So jukebox, I'm just going to say change song, because that's what he's doing, is saying stop, change the music to put this song on. So change, however you want to do it, change song. And then we start to dance, and now I'm singing like, and then we start to dance, and now I'm singing. Can't even see that very well. Let's see if I can get up some. Singing like, girl, you know I want your love. So, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was homemade for somebody like me. Your love was handmade. Not homemade, I don't know. Okay, so handmade was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. So follow and lead, I believe, are the same word. So it's just follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. So, grab on my waist, and so whenever you say waist, you're just gonna be like grab on my waist, so on my waist, and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. So come on now, follow my lead. It says come on now, follow my lead. Okay, here we go. I'm in love with the shape of you. So just like drawing the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. So I guess this part's mostly obvious. You push, you pull, and then magnet. So hand like this, and you take your fingers like this. Magnet, magnet, magnet. Do. You could also do like this, but this one's always just been easier for me. Like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. So so it's like even though, although my heart, you can also draw a heart like that. Heart is falling. You can do falling like this or falling like this. This one just looks more mature to me, but I don't know why. Falling to, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your, so you can either do body like this, like you did shape of you, or body. Either one works, it really does. Last night you were in my room. So last night you were in my room. So like, but you're gonna do it there. In my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. So, and now my bed sheets, kind of like you're pulling up your blanket, bed sheets smell like you every day, discovering something brand new. So you could take more time and do every day, but there's a sign every day. Every day, discovering, so finding something brand new. Brand and new. They're the same thing. Brand new. Brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm gonna do that just because it looks cooler. Then it says O-I, 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 O-I. O-I, O-I. Or you could just be like, O-I, 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 O-I. And then it's gonna be, I'm in love with your body. O-I, 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 O-I. I'm in love with your body. And then again, and again. Okay. Every day, discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay. Here we go. Finally, something new. 1 week in, we let the story begin. Okay. 1 week. So, week. 1 week in, we let the story, it's also tale, story begin. We're going out on our first date. We're going out on our first date. First date. You and me are thrifty. This is thrifty? I don't know what that word means. I just looked it up. So, don't ask me. So, go all you can eat. So, go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up a plate. Fill up your bag and I fill up a plate. So, with this one, it's fill up your bag. So with the word bag, so I looked it up, and bag is like, but according to this awesome YouTuber and what I've seen on Google, it's easier and faster just to spell bag, B-A-G, just bag, much faster, because I couldn't figure the other sign out. It was just confusing the crap out of me. So, fill up your bag, and I'll fill up a plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour. Now, when you sign sour, make sure you add the face to it, or you're just gonna look like an idiot. Cause see, sour. Okay. And how your family is doing okay, and how your family is doing okay. Leave and get in a taxi, then kiss in the back seat. Okay, so leave and get in the taxi. Apparently it's like the blinking light or something. Get in the taxi and then kiss in the back seat. So back sit. Back seat. Tell the driver, make the radio play, and I'm singing like. Tell the driver to make the radio play, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Okay, we're almost done, but I'm pretty sure this is all just redoing it, so. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, or baby, whichever one. Baby, come on. It repeats that like 15 times. So, I'm not going to do that 15 times because it's lame. And I just showed you how to do it. So, I'm going to do this last one more time. And then I'm just going to start the song. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Yeah, okay. I'm just going to start the song now because it really does just repeat over and over and over again. Okay, time for the music. Just a heads up, the song is a lot faster when it has the music. Not exaggerating. This is my 10th time trying to get this song right, so I hope I get it this time because the song's starting to get on my nerves. And I like the song.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. Come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Oh my god. So, I left out some of the words that I taught in the tutorial because the song was too fast to do every one of those words. But I did as many as I could. I know the video, the last bit sucked, but it was a little faster than I could. But I'm glad I got it. If you guys would like to use all the words, go right ahead. I'm not as talented as I let on, but I teach what I can. So, I hope this helped. Subscribe, recommend songs. I'll do almost anything. But if you guys go and start, like, recommending, like, Eminem songs, I'm gonna have to say no, because I can't even sing Eminem, let alone sign it, so. But I can do most. So, recommend, subscribe. If you guys want me to do, you're welcome. Put that down below, and I'll make a tutorial. But I'm not really sure I can do it to the music, because it's even faster than this song, and I've tried. I can't do it. I can do the words. Cannot do the whole thing, but I can teach you guys the words. So you guys can see if you guys are fast enough to do it, and not me. Sorry, but, yeah. Peace out.